Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath split floor plan home with great curb appeal. Front porch has space for a sitting area and is surrounded by beautiful white columns and flower beds. Walk through the front door into the foyer and be wowed by the high, smooth ceilings, open dining and living area, beautiful decorative molding from floor to ceiling along with hardwood flooring and freshly painted interior. Great room features a fireplace with gas logs and decorative mantel. You can either access the spacious kitchen through the dining room or great room. Entertaining will be easy with all the counter space this kitchen has to offer. Beautiful granite countertops, lots of cabinets, pantry and breakfast area make a great place for anyone to enjoy cooking and baking year-round. Off the kitchen is a hallway that takes you to 2 guest bedrooms and guest bathroom. Also, off the kitchen is the laundry room with built-in cabinets, storage closet, washer and dryer and access to the garage that is large and offers plenty of built-in cabinets. On the opposite side of the house, you will find the owner's suite of your dreams. Walk into a sitting area featuring hardwood floors and a beautiful bay window. Then step into the bedroom and notice the double tray ceiling and triple window which gives you plenty of natural light coming in. Headed into the large bathroom room, you will notice there is not 1 but 2 walk-in closets. Another wow factor is the owner's suite bathroom with its vaulted ceiling, 2 separate vanities with marble tops and sinks, corner soaking tub, separate shower and separate toilet room. Now it's time to head outside to the huge fenced-in backyard. French door from great room leads out onto a patio where you will have plenty of room for sitting and grillin. The 12 by 20 workshop has been remodeled with fresh interior paint and new flooring. It offers a ramp and roll-up door along with a lean-to and a small front porch. There are so many possibilities this adorable outbuilding can be used for. This home has one of the largest lots in the neighborhood with a small portion having road frontage on Hammett Rd. It is located in a quiet neighborhood just minutes from downtown, shopping, dining, entertainment, parks, schools, industrial park and the interstate and also gives you access to the community lake. Come home.